So I've just picked up the keys to my new home, and the first thing I wanted to do when I moved in was install this outdoor kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we fitted it and the whole process from start to finish. So we arrived here this morning at about 9:30. It is now 11:45, so 2 3/4 hours from arriving here, unloading everything. Luckily, we're on the sort of a farm here, and we had the farmer had his truck with his trailer, so he gave us a hand bringing all these things in, which really helped speed things up. But this took us 2 hours, Vitas and myself, to install, so not long at all. Really simple to do. So this is a Burnout kitchen. You may have seen some of these in our previous videos. These are really high-end German kitchens. I absolutely love them. They're so easy to install and they're such high quality. Everything is made of stainless steel, granite worktops, composite door fronts and drawer fronts. There's lots of different modules for different things. So for example, well, let's start down here. I'll talk you through it. So this one here, this is a Monolith LeChef. So you may have seen in our other videos that we've installed lots and lots of classic monoliths. So the classic is like the normal size. This is the LeChef, which is the next size up, and it's absolutely huge. I mean, this from left to right is probably about 700 mil in diameter along there. You're going to be able to feed tons and tons of people. It's exactly the same model as the classic, but just a much bigger version. Lots and lots of space in there, and that is sat in this Kamado module. So this is all 304 stainless steel all the way around, and then underneath you've got this huge pan drawer as well for keeping all of the accessories and everything like that in there. These drawers are all completely soft close. The color on this is dark oak as well. So the Burnout, in the Burnout range, there is also a smoke color that's available and a light oak as well. So coming along to here, this is a 1200 mil unit. With every Burnout kitchen, you get this stainless steel. It's like a hot plate, you know, where if you're taking hot things off the barbecue, you want somewhere to put it. That's what they're for. You get them with all of the kitchens. You can put hot stuff on granite, but this is just a nice touch. It's got the Burnout logo on there. It looks really cool. So on this unit, we've simply got a cupboard under there for storage. And then on this side here, we've got the gas tank for the barbecue. So that gas tank is on a pull-out drawer there. You can see the regulator there that's connected to the barbecue. That is soft close. It just goes in like that. So all of the doors as well, soft close, like that. You can just see, they just ooze quality. I absolutely love them. Here, we don't fit many of these. I think we've only fitted one before. This is the Napoleon Prestige Pro 825. This is a ginormous barbecue. This is about 1.3 meters long. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 burners. So to have a look at it, on this side here, it's got a separate little section here. Now this has got 2 infrared searing stations. Each has its own burner there. So these will get really hot, and these are perfect for searing steaks and things like that. They get hot really quickly. So you could actually slow cook it. If you wanted to do like a reverse seared steak, you could slow cook it, and you could actually smoke it in here for about an hour or so on a really low temperature. And then once that's sort of to a rare, or however you like it, you can whack them on here, sear it, get that really nice crust, and you're going to have the perfect steaks every single time. So that's really good. It's got a light inside there. This section here is very similar to the 665. It's slightly smaller, but this has 1, 2, 3, 4 main burners. It's got a burner for the smoker drawer there, and it's also got the infrared back burner there for the rotisserie. So this does come with a rotisserie. It starts there and it actually goes all the way through there. So you've got lots of space there for doing rotisserie chickens or beef, whatever it is you want to do. So this is just a phenomenal grill. I mean, you're going to be able to feed an army. And when you couple it with the LeChef over there, I mean, they're just going to be able to. And I know that the customers, they do entertain a lot. They've got a big family. They have lots of people around all the time. So they're going to make full use of this. Underneath here, we literally have drawers. So we've got two big pan drawers at the bottom there, and then two slightly smaller drawers underneath there. Tons and tons of space for storage. And again, all soft close. So what an amazing location for this gorgeous kitchen. You can see they've got the table and chairs here. They've got this outside hut here with table and chairs and sofa thing there, and then over here is the outdoor kitchen, all set in these beautiful grounds. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see another one, I'll leave a link up here, and if you want to subscribe to the channel, we try and release one of these at least once a week. If you subscribe and hit the alert button, you'll get notified every time we bring out a new one. We also have Instagram and Facebook, and we try and post on there a few times a week. So if you want to see what we're up to currently, then head over there and give us a follow. So thanks very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.